If you currently use the Shure SM7B or you're in the market for one and you're interested about its features, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the frequency changing switches, which are found right here on the very back of the microphone, to change the bass roll-off and the presence boost. I'm going to demonstrate how each switch is made, and then I'll let you listen to every possible setting that is on there. So I now have this positioned where you can see the switches. This isn't the best for video because you can't see my pretty face, which I know you're disappointed about, but you can see the more important thing. So this is the way it comes standard with just both of the lines completely flat. And I will say that if you're gonna do a lot with your audio post production, in other words, if you're going to mess with the EQ, then you can just leave them flat and you can do everything yourself. However, if you're like me, where basically whatever it turns into is what the audio sounds like, and if you like to kind of set and forget, which this mic does, then you might want to change these settings. Let's start with what we see on the left, which is this setting over here, and we're going to go ahead and engage the bass roll-off. Because these switches are somewhat recessed, you need a small screwdriver. I like this nifty set by Stanley. I'll link to it in the description. It comes in handy for a lot of things, not just your Shure SM7B, which, by the way, the SM7B and everything I use, including the lovely Rode PSA-1, the Shure extender, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, are linked in the description, and you can check out this video right here if you want to learn more about my complete Shure SM7B setup. To adjust the bass roll-off, you just need a little flathead screwdriver like this, and we're just gonna move it down so that it rolls the bass off. And I'll show you what that looks like. So there you can see that where we were, it was flat, and now it rolls off. And you can see here, as you're listening to me, right here in the moment, it went from both lines straight across to the bass rolled off. Now I'm gonna show you the presence boost. I popped it up for the presence boost, and now you can see a little hump. So if you think about it, to remember this, the bass roll-off, literally it falls down. It kind of is a line that goes like this. And the presence boost is like a little hump. It's like a little hernia, a little speed bump. And so the presence is now boosted as well as the bass being rolled off. Now I'm going to leave the presence boosted, and I'm going to take the bass roll-off off. So this is just the presence boosted with no bass roll-off. So you can kind of see how my voice sounds with the presence boosted and the bass roll-off off. So this is just with the bass roll-off engaged. This is bass roll-off and the presence boost engaged. This is the presence boost without the bass roll-off. And this is back to neither the bass roll-off engaged or the presence boost. So that's how you use the frequency shaping switches on the very back of your SM7B. If you want to see a video I did on unboxing my SM7B and all that went into my podcasting setup, check out this video right here where I'm going to unbox all of these components, show you exactly what they cost, how they fit together, and you'll get a good overview of how to use the SM7B in your podcasting setup. So click right here on this video and I'll see you in there.